Hey Jamie, what are you doing?
Pouring floor leveler?
With a mixer and bucket. Cute, that won't take long. No, just kidding. It'll take ages. It's also gonna cost you money, give you inconsistent pours, and be bad for your back. There it is. What's the point in spending $30K grinding the floors, Jamie, if you're doing low quality mixing? Give me that. And that. And that. Jamie, you need the MEGA-HIPPO from Portamix.
What's that?
It's the MEGA-HIPPO. It's a world-class mixer that's easy to move, increases the quality of your mix, and decreases your labor costs. Looks like a Ferrari, purrs like a mountain lion. The MEGA-HIPPO can increase your productivity by up to 300%. You know what that means, Jamie? Profit. This is John. He's no dummy. He uses the MEGA-HIPPO. Just adds water to the mix and he's away. This is one guy mixing 6 bags at a time. Can you do that, Jamie? No, you cannot. Profit. And John's not doing the mixing. The HIPPO is. John's not even here. He's setting up the next job. Profit. Once the pour is ready, John just... Look at that. It's the industry standard perfect pour. Every time. Profit. Because the MEGA-HIPPO was endorsed by leading manufacturers, John gets peace of mind, more referrals, and a great reputation. This could be you, Jamie. Here. Use a MEGA-HIPPO today and you will have saved that much in labor cost within 2 or 3 jobs. You know what that means, Jamie?
Profit?
Now you're getting it. Book a demo today. Profit. I mean, Portamix.